It's 4 a.m. and it's time to go to Hawaii. Alright, we're on the plane.
On our way.
Thank you.
What is that?
It's a little camera. Yes. So leg 1 is done. Good news, bad news is we still have leg 2 from San Francisco to Maui. Seas candy, incredible. San Francisco.
There's a dark, there's the dark coconut.
Here, I'm gonna find.
Alright, so we made it to Maui. Next step is get our bags and then go get our car. Time for me to lose this sweater and put on a pair of shades. One other note about our flight. Not the smoothest flight ever. Definitely a little bumpy. This question right now is which car? So which one? So we settled on a Jeep.
We made it to Hawaii!
We made it to the beach.
Vacation!
Beautiful. How's it feel? Attacking the waves.
It's a big one!
Waves here are definitely intense. Bigger than I've ever seen. Almost a little scary.